So hello guys, it's me, and today I'm going to tell you some stuff you can buy to build your own gaming PC from 300 to 400 British pounds. So let's go. So guys, for the processor we're going to be getting an i3, which is only £65, and it is 3.6 GHz and 3 megabytes of cache. So yeah, it's a really good processor. Okay guys, so for the graphics card, we're going to be getting an NVIDIA GTX 750 Ti, which is 2 gigabytes of memory and is a very good graphics card. And it costs only £99 and 99 pence, which is basically £100. And yeah, it's actually a very good video card. For the RAM, we're going to be having Ballistic Sports 4 gigabytes of RAM, DDR3, which is quite good. It's only £16. And for the power supply, we're going to be getting an Ace 350 watts Black ATX gaming PC power supply, and it costs £21. And yeah, for the fans, we're going to be having two of Power Molex fans, which are together they're 9 and 2p, like £9 and 2p together. So yeah, we're gonna be getting two of these. Finally, for the case, we're gonna be having a Sit Venom Black ATX MIDI PC gaming case, which is £19 and is quite good. Okay guys, so altogether this costs £282, and there you can have a look at everything that, that's the motherboard, this is the RAM, this is the video graphics card, that's the power supply. Now next is the processor, i3, next is the case, and last is the fan. So yeah guys, hope this video helped you out. All you need to do now is build a computer. If you don't know how to do that, just go to YouTube and type in how to build a computer. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. For the motherboard, we're going to be having Gigabyte F2A78M, which is good. Well, actually, yeah, it's pretty good, and it is £36 only. And yeah.